Hey, keyboard enthusiasts! Ever wondered about the differences between clicky, tactile, and linear switches? Well, you're in the right place. Let's break it down in under a minute. Clicky switches are for those who love that satisfying click sound with every press. Great for typists who crave audible feedback. Tactile switches offer a noticeable bump without the click. Perfect for gamers and typists who want to feel when a key is activated, but don't like the loud clicking sound. Linear switches provide a smooth, consistent keystroke without any tactile bump or click. Ideal for gamers needing rapid, distraction-free presses. So whether you're into the click, the bump, or the smooth ride, there's a switch for you. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick keyboard insights. Happy typing!